L1 polynomial vocabulary. A couple of new terms. The degree of a term is the exponent on its variable. I'll explain that better in just a minute. To find the degree of a polynomial, find the term with the largest degree. And terms are expression or numbers that are added or subtracted. So basically we have the words degree. I don't know why that's not working. I have it on highlight, but it's not working. Degree of a term, degree of a polynomial, and then terms. Okay? So let's figure out what that's talking about. So I have two different problems right here, but let's talk about the number of terms. Let's talk about the second one first. Because of the plus signs, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. There are no plus signs here, so we just have one term. Now the degree. The degree is how many exponents, or all the exponents added together in what makes the largest number. So in this case, your exponent is 7, so it's just 7. This exponent is 9, this exponent is 4, this exponent is 2, and this exponent is 1. So this term has 9 exponents, basically. This term has 4 exponents. This term has 2 exponents, and this term has 1 exponent. So the biggest number is 9. Number of terms, 1, 1, 2, 3, so 1 and 3. Exponent is 5. Biggest exponent is 10. So this degree is 5 and this degree is 10. Number of terms, 2. Degree is 1 because this exponent is 1 because there's not a number there. Number of terms, 3. Biggest exponent is 5. So that's what the degree is. Now, new words. If you just have one term, it's called a monomial because mono is a prefix for 1. If you have 2 terms, it's a binomial. If you have 3 terms, it's a trinomial. Anything more than 3 terms is a polynomial, which just means many terms. So those are the 3 that you need to remember or use your notes for. So whenever it says classify the polynomial and you're given these options, you're looking for the number of terms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So it doesn't have 1 term or 2 terms or 3 terms. It has many terms. So it's going to be none of the above. This one just has 1 term, so it's a monomial. This one has 3 terms, so it's a trinomial. Or we could be talking about degrees. If your largest degree is 1, then it's linear. If your largest degree is 2, then it's a quadratic. If your largest degree is 3, then it's a cubic. And if it's anything bigger than 3, then it's just a bigger exponent, I guess you'd say. So whenever you're talking about these, we are looking at the degree. So make sure whenever you're doing these problems, you see what your options are to ask yourself, are we looking at the terms or are we looking at the degree? So this one we're looking at the degree. The degree here is 3, so it's a cubic. The degree here is 1, so it's linear. Find the degree of this polynomial. So this x has 3, this y has 2, so altogether there are 5 exponents. There are 3 exponents. There are 3 exponents because this one has a 1. There's 1 exponent and 1 exponent. So our biggest number is 5, so the degree is 5. The degree of this term is 7. The degree of this term is 1, so the degree of the polynomial is 7 because 7 is the bigger number.